Hey guys, what's up? MTD here. Have you ever wondered the fast charging technology will come to trimmers also? It has already came, and in this video we are going to see the unboxing and the review of one of the best fast charging trimmers, Philips corded and cordless beard trimmer. So please watch it till the end and subscribe the channel if you have loved the video. Philips is one of the best brands, especially when it comes to beard trimmer. From the low budget till the high end models, it will give the one of its best. So in this case, Philips corded and cordless beard trimmer, it's also given the best. I hope so. Let's see the features of this product. It has a lift and a trim system that cuts 30% faster, and it gives a smooth and clean shave due to this technology. And it has a Dura Power technology. It extends the battery life and reduces the friction in the blades and protects the motor. And lift and trim combo cuts the hair blades for men smoothly and evenly, and stainless steel blades for long lasting sharpness. And it's skin friendly basis for the smooth skin and rough skin also. It has a 20 lock-in length settings from 0.5 mm to 10 mm with 0.5 mm precision. It has a battery light indicator in order to note the battery is fully charged or it's empty. It has a detachable head for easy cleaning, and it has an ergonomic design, and it includes the storage and travel pouch. And it's a quick charging one. You can charge it for 30 minutes. You will get 45 minutes of usage, cordless usage. That's it about the features. Let's go for the unboxing and the review. Let's cut the wrapper and open up. Here we have the Philips beard trimmer series 3000 box, and at the back we have the product code 3221/15, and the price is actual price is 2395. Let's unbox it. We have the warranty card over here, one extra year of warranty. Then we have the user manual and others. We have a quick charger over here. It's 5.4 watt charger. And then we have a travel and storage pouch over here. And then we have a cleaning brush to remove the hair. Here we go, Philips trimmer. Its style is very good, and it's ergonomic design, and it's slender. We have a battery LED indicator, and we have 20 length setting. And we have a 15 volt and 5.4 watt charging, fast charging. And here we have the power cord, and the attachable comb over here. It's plastic, and we have to insert it like this. And it's a titanium coated stainless steel blade. It's very sharp. It's for long lasting sharpness. That's it. Unboxing is done. I would like to thank my friend Sriram for this extraordinary unboxing video. The model is BT3221, and he bought this at Myntra for 2107 rupees. In terms of the design, it has a slender and ergonomic design, and it's easy to hold, and it has a tight grip. The weight weighs a little bit, but it's okay. It's easy to manage. So in terms of the battery, it has a battery status indicator, and it's very helpful. It has a Dura Power technology, which is for the long lasting battery life. My friend said that he charged the trimmer for around 30 minutes, and it gives the usage till 40 to 45 minutes, and he used it 2 times I think. And if you charged it for 60 minutes, it will give for at least 3 times of usage. So if you don't have any other much design works to do in your beard, so the battery is good, and fast charging is also good. Dura Power technology prevents the overloading problems. In terms of the lens settings, we have a 20 lens settings. You can even build 20 steps in your beard if you have a beard. Hope so. Then 20 lens settings, when we change it from one lens setting to another lens settings, it connection with the blades are very good and the precision is very good. It adjusts according to the lens settings, and it 20 lens settings is very helpful. And we did the sound test also, and the sound is very good. Head portion has titanium coated stainless steel blades for long lasting sharpness. It provides no irritation at all during the cut, and it provides a very smooth cut. Lift and trim technology provides 30% faster trim compared to the other trimmers, and the blades will adjust automatically to the ups and downs in your beard area. It has a detachable head, so you can remove the blade portion and clean it off in the tap water, and you can dry it off and reattach with the head portion. Don't wash the whole trimmer in the tap water, it will damage the circuit. So it's a perfect trimmer. That's it about the trimmer. In terms of the warranty, the seller provides 2 years warranty, and the additional 1 year warranty will be claimed by registering your product in the Philips website. I will drop the link in the description. Go to that link, sign up with your email ID and password, and search for your product like BT3221. Enter the date of purchase and the serial number of the product, and for the proof of purchase you can upload the invoice that you purchased in Myntra or Amazon, whatever it is, and then submit it. That's it. Additional 1 year warranty will be added for the product. So that's it about the warranty details. So totally you will get 3 years warranty. Overall, Philips trimmer gives a perfect and smooth cut. It has a fast charging technology. We can use it for a daily and weekly basis for trimming. So I will drop the links in description for the purchase. So go for it. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. MTT signing off. Take care.